This video explores the geometry of Genesis, decoding the divine mathematics of the protoverse. The first verse of the Bible functions as a holographic template, revealing a super-engineered design that moves from simple arithmetic to infinite fractals, showing the architect's specific signature. The sum of the gematria values for the first verse of Genesis is 2701. This number is not random. 2701 acts as the holographic seed for biblical geometry, standing peerless among integers for its ability to generate symmetry. 2701 is the product of two mirrored primes, 37 and 73. This palindromic symmetry is the first indication of intelligent design. These numbers are the fundamental building blocks, or atoms of the code, from which complex patterns stem. Jenkins' containment shows that the 73rd triangle, which represents the whole verse with a value of 2701, geometrically contains the 37th triangle, with a value of 703. This indicates that "and the earth" is mathematically contained within the creation. The geometric intersection of 237 by 37 squares forms a 19 by 19 square with a value of 361. This value, 361, is the Hebrew numeric value for Nazarene, or the earthly title of Jesus. The remaining area sums to 703, and the earth. Transforming the creation triangle into a hexagon, representing the 6 days of creation, reveals a boundary of 1998. The number 666 is shown here not as evil, but as a wisdom bridge, connecting the creator to the created. The geometric layers of the creation verse generate specific numeric values related to the architect's name: 888 for Jesus, 1110 for Jesus of Nazareth the Messiah, and 1480 for Christ. The math speaks names. Trilateral symmetry shows the hexagon splitting perfectly into three, reflecting the nature of God, the Trinity. The three axes sum to 333, and the remaining angles create the complementary value 2368, which is Jesus Christ. English gematria for Jesus Christ is 925. When placed on the hex grid, the wedges sum to 296, the exact Hebrew value for the earth. The design anticipates modern language, integrating Jesus Christ into the Genesis mathematics. The cube of creation is hidden in the 2D text as a 3D object. The blank space in the hexagon forms a 64-unit cube. The calculation 64 units multiplied by the prime factor 37 equals 2368, which is Jesus Christ in the Greek standard. Stellations, or the icon of God, shows that the prime factors 37 and 73 are star numbers, naturally forming hexagrams or stars of David. The mathematics of the verse are not just numeric, they are iconic and exhibit order, symmetry, and limitations. The logo's snowflake. The geometry behaves like a snowflake, infinite in complexity. The 337-unit star fractalizes into a shape that matches the specific Greek grammar for the logos, meaning the word. The I am in negative space reveals that the space between the stars, the negative space, accommodates exactly 84 hexagons. 84 is the ordinal sum of the holy phrase, I am that I am, revealing the Father. The relationship between Jesus, 888, and Christ, 1480, exhibits the biblical golden ratio. The names are harmonically bound by the universal ratio of beauty, as 1480 multiplied by 0.618 is approximately 888. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1 is a self-authenticating miracle and a mathematical marvel. It is a standing miracle of intelligent design that authenticates the entire biblical canon through arithmetic, geometry, gematria, and infinite holographic fractals.